till I see the stars beyond this window pane, shining so bright here in this night. Then I see the sense of love deep in my heart. I cry for you. Every tear that falls feels like a warm stars in the skies gently shine, taking away my pain. I hear a voice gently saying, don't be afraid. I feel the warmth come over me as I spin there and weary pain. And even though I do not have the strength to go on, even though I try to hold on, His love will never ever end for me. But I keep on trying, even though my dreams won't come true. Even though at the moment with you, like a stars that shine forever, and treasure my love for you.
Dito
Open!
kami sa balita kayo.
Yes!
Tingnan, pahinga.